Spotify playlists are a great way to keep your music organized and easily accessible. But what if you want to share one of your playlists with a friend? It's actually not that hard to do. In this video, I'll show you how to send a Spotify playlist to someone. To get started, first open up your Spotify application and then tap on your library. It will show you all of the playlists that you have created on Spotify. So go ahead and select any playlist that you want to share with someone. Once you are on this screen, tap on these three dots on the left side of the screen, and it will show you a bunch of options. So, simply tap on Share, and it will show you different social media platforms on which you can share this. So, for example, you can share this with Instagram Stories, Facebook Stories, Snapchat, Messenger, and Twitter. You can also copy the link and share it anywhere that you like. So that wraps up this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.